Bonjour, I'm Karen,
I'm Tim,
and that's the Pont du Gard.
and welcome to Living a French Life. We're on a little bit of a road trip today. We're going up to Strasbourg to visit Karen's family.
By way of Provence, which is
Oh.
not even
Not even on the way.
not on the way.
But I have never seen the Pont du Gard. It's a really fantastic structure, Roman, from when? You know this, Dr. K.
Yeah, this is going to be like first century there. I have a voila on Nîmes and the Pont du Gard.
We'll put a link to that in the comments, so make sure you take a look at
and
that.
get some more history.
Yes. So this is going to be kind of a laissez-faire kind of episode. We're just going to show you the stuff that we're going to do over the next week as we go traveling around France and going up and visiting family up in Strasbourg.
So nice, very nice. We needed a break from hauling rocks in the garden, and this is very nice.
Yes, it is. Very good. And plus we get to stay in a hotel and take a shower.
I'm so excited.
So, like and subscribe. We'll see you on the other side. Built in the 1st century, Pont du Gard is the world's highest Roman bridge aqueduct. Taking 15 years to build, the genius of its engineering is truly awe-inspiring. The blocks of limestone were pieced together without cement or mortar, and it provided a source of fresh water to the fountains and bathhouses of Nîmes over 30 miles away. The top of the aqueduct is 49 meters high, and from that vantage point, you can look down to the river below, where people fish, kayaks move at an easy pace, and swimmers find relief in the cool waters of the Gardon River. The Pont du Gard is a technical and artistic masterpiece. After leaving Pont du Gard, we snuck down the road to Île-sur-la-Sourge for their annual antique show.
Here's a booth that I enjoy going into. All sorts of little sewing notions and things. Let's see what we find. The last thing I need is another sewing machine, but look at this one. Isn't she a beauty? I just love how simple she is. No, she's not coming home with me, but she is worthy of a look.
Hey, honey, what you got there?
Nougat.
Oh, tell us about a little quick story about nougat.
I have a voila on it.
Oh, do you?
Should
Okay.
we put that down into the...
Yeah, we'll do that in there too.
Okay. It's actually a Roman thing, isn't it? It's honey, almonds, nougat. But not like the nougat you think of in the United States where it's sort of hard and you can't identify the little parts that are in there. This is tender, delicious, and we just went through nougat country, so had to have some.
And why did we buy it today?
Because we ate it all before we could tell them about it yesterday. But fortunately, we found some more.
The Vosges Mountains. My ancestral home up there. Other side of Strasbourg.
Legend has it that Saint Odile struck a rock to bring forth water to help a dying man. That water is said to help people with eye diseases. It's a long way down, but we're going to go check it out.
And now we climb back up from the source. We walked all the way down that trail, down deep into the forest to get to Saint Odile's, the miraculous source. It was a lovely walk. It's been a beautiful day. Fresh, nice to be in the mountains. What we're seeing here is the plain between the two mountain ranges. So we're in Vosges, French side, and off in the distance it's the Black Forest of Germany. And I think you might be able to see that little sliver of silver, and that's the Rhine River, the Rhine River. Beautiful vistas up here.
We just grab a piece. Yes. Voila. Oh, c'est chaud.
On prend un pinot blanc peut-être. Pinot blanc. Ouais.
One of my favorites.
C'était bon la dernière. C'est pas de la faute de Jean-Jean, il cherche pas les
Can you see the flames? Yeah, you can see the flames. Oh,
Wow.
oh, we got the lights on. Okay, there we
C'est pour
go.
l'éclairage ici.
Merci.
Let's hear it for high alcohol content Calvados.
We are leaving her a very large tip.
Okay. We came to Luneville for an event about the people, Karen's family among them, who left the region and settled in modern-day Romania in the 18th century.
We are heading back to our home in Bagnac-sur-Soleil in Le Lot. We've got about well, it's a good 10 hours, but we'll stop for Lucy Lou and have a little picnic. And so we'll probably be home in a little over 11 hours, I guess. What do you think? Did you have a good time, honey?
Oh, it was great. It was fun seeing family. Went and saw a few sights, and that was great. But I'm kind of anxious to get back home beyond the shower and the kitchen and the cabinetry and the
garden
And the insulation.
all that good stuff.
Yes. Yep. We had a wonderful time. We were able to see family that came from Luxembourg and family from Germany. We went to a wonderful history of my family's lineage from Alsace and Lorrain that went to the Banat in Romania. So we did that in Luneville. It was really just a packed, fun week. But now it's time to get home. I miss the kitties and time to get back to work.
It's a pretty clean morning.
And then,
Bonjour, I'm Karen.
I'm Tim.
And this is Lucy Lou. And we are coming back from our wonderful trip from Strasbourg. And that was supposed to be his line.
Cause it's a new day. Cause it's a new day. It's a new day for me and you. It's a new day for me, it's true.